Okay. So normally, how do we do our introduction? Any thought? Because some of them may be doing the same thing, but just to understand, how do we do introductions? Anyone? Yeah, but normal. So whatever. Any. So what do we cover in the introduction?
A name, where you
Name,
work.
designation, experience, country, region. Okay, fine. So this particular activity, we will do it little creatively. Okay, I'll be using some papers which I used once so that I can use the blank side. So I'll first distribute these papers to everyone. So I would need one of you to just pass it. Some papers are blank on both the sides, so saving on paper.
Your name? Your name?
Okay, if anybody needs this. Okay, my name is Sachin Kamath, and I do a lot of program for the entrepreneurs. The passion which Kuntal was talking about. So I help people to transform their life and live their passion. And how do I do it? By doing personal coaching to them or conducting training programs. I'm not a trainer, I'm still a learner, because every training program I have been learning from my participants. And one thing I always appreciate or learn from participants is they help us to become better trainers. Okay, and not only trainers, but as a human being also, it helps a lot interacting with different types of people. So every training program I have been learning new things from people. Okay, I have a daughter 6.5 years old. She is my master trainer, because whatever I do in training program doesn't work on her. She always keeps me on my toes, and that is very important for me. As a trainer, I had one drawback is I used to talk a lot, but then I realized that to be a good communicator, you have to be a good listener. And after marriage, actually, I came to know what the important is. So coming back to the activity, it's a very simple activity. Okay, what I want you to do is, suppose I'll just take an example. My name is Sachin, so the spelling of Sachin is what? Sometimes I have this short-term memory loss. A Gajini effect is there for me, so I need to understand Sachin, Sachin. So if I tell you to give me some adjectives for each word, suppose for S, what could be the adjectives?
Savvy.
Smart, savvy, sober. Fine, you got it. Okay. So same way for A, adorable, adventurous, assertive, attractive. Then comes I, as a C. Okay, C. Charismatic, charming. Okay, चालू. Anything. That's your. भावनाओं को समझो सबसे पहले. Okay. Now looking at this, if a person whom you have just met in this training program, if you can tell so much about that person, such a. So S stands for this, A stands for this, C stands for this. How much do you know yourself? And what I want you to do now is, the letters in your word, the alphabets, for each and every alphabet, I want you to come out with as many adjectives as possible. And you should feel that when you're writing those words for yourself. Okay? And how you do it? We'll go back in our school days. Okay? I'll be keeping this color crayons here. I want you to come, pick up those crayons and use whichever color you want and make your chart as beautiful as possible. So, yeah, you should write, use crayons, pick colors. If you have longer one, break it, share it with people. Yeah. Any extras? You have, ma'am? Any extras if you have, please pass it. You can sit on the ground, you can.
I'm back on recording.
रॉयल लिखना